In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of downloading necessary game data not working in Mortal Kombat Mobile. I'll walk you through the steps to take to ensure that your game is up and running smoothly, so you can start slaughtering your opponents right away. So first of all, open up your Google Play Store and search for Mortal Kombat. And then you want to uninstall the app that you currently have installed on your device. So tap on this uninstall button. After that, exit out of the Google Play Store and then open up your settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. And then tap on this search bar up top and search for Google Play Store. And then you will see something like this. So what you want to do next is tap on Storage and then, when you are on this screen, tap on Clear Data. Then go back and tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Uninstall Updates. So, this will give you a fresh version of the Google Play Store app, as well as remove any bugs and corrupted data associated with the app. Once you've done that, open up your Google Play Store app and tap on this search bar up top and search for Mortal Kombat. Go ahead and install it again on your device and that should fix your issue. So if you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.